What is a wager in betting? Meaning and how it works. A wager is the basic action behind betting, but the word carries more than one simple meaning. The focus is what a wager includes, how it works, and why understanding the bet itself comes before comparing odds or markets. The moment an opinion becomes a wager, before money is involved, a sports prediction is just a thought. A person chooses a market, selects an outcome, risks a stake, and accepts that the result may either produce a return or cause the stake to be lost. What a wager is really made of. A wager may look like one simple action, but it has several parts inside it. The stake is the amount of money placed at risk. Wager, bet, and stake. The difference. People often use the words wager, bet, and stake as if they mean exactly the same thing. The wager is the risk being placed on an uncertain outcome. The first number to look at is not the payout. Many beginners look at the possible payout first, but a responsible way to understand a wager starts with the opposite question. How odds change the shape of a wager? The same stake can create different possible returns depending on the odds. But lower odds do not mean no risk. A small wager can still become a big problem. One small wager may not look serious. The risk is not always one dramatic decision. Common types of wager. A wager can take different forms depending on the sport and market, but they are also harder to win because every selection usually has to be correct. What happens after the wager is placed? Once a wager is placed, the bettor has accepted the odds and the rules available at that moment. Not every wager is settled in the same way. Wagering requirements are not the same thing. The word wager can also appear in the phrase wagering requirement. For an informational video, the safest way to say it is this: do not look only at the offer. Why chasing losses changes the wager. A wager made calmly is different from a wager made under pressure. After a loss, some people feel the urge to win the money back quickly. Legality and age rules matter. Betting laws depend on location. A website or app appearing online does not automatically mean it is legal or safe in a specific place. When a wager is a warning sign, a wager can become a warning sign when it is no longer controlled. It can also happen when betting becomes connected to financial stress. Responsible gambling before any bet. Responsible gambling begins before the wager is placed. A person should know the limit before betting begins. The simplest way to understand a wager. A wager is money placed at risk on an uncertain outcome. If the possible loss is not clear, if the rules are not understood, or if the money cannot be lost safely, the best decision is not to place the wager.